to the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog, and I am Susan Berkley, the founder of GreatVoice.com. This week we're going to talk about mistakes and how to handle them when you record. So if you're brand new, you might not be used to all the mistakes we make as voice talent. You might be thinking, wow, I got to get this recorded perfectly or it's no good. Not at all. Everything you hear on the air is a conglomeration of lots and lots of edits. Nobody records perfectly all the way through. Everybody makes a ton of mistakes. So you can relax. I've got lots of best practices this week to help you get quickly through your recording sessions and deal with those mistakes. So the first thing is, when you are recording from home and you catch yourself making a mistake, clap like this, because what will happen is the noise of the clap will appear on the sound file. So it'll make the editing really easily. You can start to, look at the audio file and see where you made a mistake. The second thing is, if you have a client on the other end, like say you're doing a phone patch session, or maybe you're even live in the studio with a client or recording engineer, never apologize when you make a mistake. It's the mark of an amateur. Just go back to the sentence where you goofed and record it again. It's no problem at all. A great word to know in voiceover recording is the word pickup. So sometimes we say, oh, pickup, when we make a mistake, which helps the audio engineer go back and find that mistake or indicates that you goofed. Another form of dealing with mistakes is something called a rolling edit. Now, you won't need to deal with this unless you're doing audiobooks. What this means is that you are listening back to your audio, and when you hear the place where you made the mistake, you're actually picking up and punching in. It's an advanced technique, but I am mentioning it here because it is something that eventually you might need to learn. And then finally, always compare your playback to the script. You won't believe how easy it is to miss a word or two. Happens to all of us, and it always astounds me. I'm like, oh my goodness, I had no idea I missed that word. But every script will have a lot of mistakes. So just make sure that you carefully compare the script they send you to the final recording and flag any mistakes to pick them up later on. So there you have your professional voiceover tips this week in the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. I'll see you next week.